vast subject. We have 1 hour. So in 1 hour, I'm going to try to give you as much as knowledge I can regarding the impact of Vastu on your life. Okay, I'm basically a civil engineer from Bombay. Okay, I passed out my engineering from Bombay in 1984, and I did service in Bombay. I went abroad, and I fell ill. I came back to India, and I suffered from ulcerative colitis. Okay, so I suffered for 13 years between 1986 and 99. I tried all the methods that are available today in alternate medicine and medicine, but I was not getting the desired results. Desired results were no medication. Desired results were eat anything you like, whenever you like. Drink any type of water that is available. And be stressed. And yet not have severe bowel movements. Okay. So that hurry, worry and curry caused my problem, but I want to live with hurry, worry and curry and not have that. So it's then that I decided that I would try alternate medicine, and it's in 99 that I started trying out alternate medicine, and in 99 my life changed. Okay. In 99, after 13 years of suffering, my life took a dramatic change when I came into alternate medicine, and I realized that no single method is perfect. You meet anybody today, they'll say, I'm doing this and this is the best. I'm doing this is the best. What I realize is they are all the best. They have to be suitable for that patient. So if you combine a few best methods, you can get better results. It's only when you realize that you should be willing to allow your patient scope to grow. If you try to restrict him to your only method because that's the only method that you know, then you can't do justification to your plans. It's like you marry a Maharashtrian wife and she only cooks Marathi food. Then you have to go to a hotel for Punjabi food, you have to go to a hotel for Gujarati food, you have to go to a hotel for different types of cuisines, Chinese food. So your wife realizes that she should learn to cook Punjabi food and non-veg, and at the same time she should learn to cook different cuisines. So she attends and she learns, and then she starts cooking all those cuisines at home. So it becomes perfect. So that's what I realized, that to lead a happy life, a healthy life, you need to combine many methods. That's when we were fortunate enough to air our show on Sujok Therapy on Asta channel way back 8 years ago. And it's been there every night at 40 minutes past midnight. And there are many episodes that we have given, and many people have watched the show worldwide, and they've understood that that's not the end of the world. They will try, they get the message, they go out, they try treatment. Many try Sujok because they were not aware of it, and then they get results, then they phone me. And then I get feedback that, yes sir, now my life is better, because I was only restricting my knowledge or my treatment to one part of alternate medicine or one part of modern medicine. But now by adding a few more methods, my life has changed. So these are our activities. We are into treatments. We are into treatment without medicine for any type of ailment. Muscular dystrophy, motor neuron disease, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, colitis, Takayasu syndrome, you name it, we've done it. That too without medicine. And when I normally share these cases with friends of mine who are medical doctors, they wonder, how do you do it? I said, the reason why you don't get these results is because you only restrict your knowledge to what you are doing. I don't. I'm always open to understand new things, invest in new knowledge, and use the best of my ability to help our client. So we use many methods. We use nutrition support, and then we use the dimension of space. space dimension is Vastu. So let us understand Vastu is an age-old tradition from India. It's more than 5,000 years old. That is when the Indian gods were living, 5,000 years old. And it's all mentioned in the various holy books, how temples were built, how this knowledge was given to mankind, and how kings used it to their benefit. So Vastu is Indian, it's traditional, and it works. Because I'm a civil engineer and since I've been dabbling in Vastu for quite some time, I realized that it's so perfect that in the past 3 to 4, 6 months, I've been able to diagnose situations from Bombay sitting without even meeting the client or looking at their plan. We've been able to tell them pinpointed locations in their house. I'll share a few cases. We've done cases where incomes have increased. In 2 days, if you don't believe it, you can see my WhatsApp messages. You can see my messages in my SMS. I've just consulted for a cup of tea. I've told them do this, and they've given me a feedback in 2 days. Incomes have increased. One of my friends whom I met in a dinner in Taj Mahal Hotel some time back, he was a medical doctor, he was the MD, and somebody introduced him to me over dinner, and we started discussing. I said, what's your hobby? He says, I love to trade in shares. I gave him a tip, and believe it or not, in 2 days he phoned me, I phoned him, and he was going to the Mahalakshmi temple. And I asked him, where are you going, sir? He said, I'm going to the temple. I said, what happened? He said, today I earned 96,000 rupees in 1 day, in one stock. He can't be cheating because the trade is in the computers. His money is in the bank. But he said, Nolaji, I never believed that you would be so lucky for me. I said, you met me and I gave you a tip. So this is how, if applied correctly, it works. We've seen jobs, students, people getting jobs within a week, changing a job and getting a 35% increment in the same company in a different department. We've seen salaries increasing. A court case solved in Africa in 10 days. This is on WhatsApp, on my mobile. This is a very complicated case, 15 years old, whereby it was time barred. It was in the civil court, so they couldn't go because it is time barred. So then they decided to file a criminal case against one of my clients. He watches my show, so he phoned me, and he had a severe problem, spinal issue. So he wanted to come to India and took my appointment. So then he casually on WhatsApp he told me that his delaying is coming, and I said, what's wrong? He said, there's a very big court case and I can't come unless it's solved, and I'm really very much in trouble. So I said, okay, no issue. I said, now your documents, are they in this location in your house? He got a shock. He says, yes, they are placed in that location where you say. I said, but they're in the bank, in the locker of the bank, but the locker of the bank is in that location that you say. I said, do you have, and it was Friday. I said, the bank will open on Monday. So do you have a Xerox copy of that file? He said, yes. I said, okay. What you have to do is you have to place them in a particular location in your house until you get the original documents on Monday. So this was on the 8th of May. You can read it. So he did what I told him. He came to India on 24th of May to meet me. And I went and I asked him, the first thing I asked him, sir, how's your case? He said, Nolaji, my case is solved. And the opposition party was much stronger than me. They were one of the strongest people in that country who were against him. It was a case of property worth in 15 years ago, $70,000 US, which had been given him by him to that party, and he had taken the party property as collateral. So you take my money, you give me some collateral. So they gave him property. So they could not pay him his money or his interest. So he took the property and he started using it. So the people who signed on that document refused that this is not my signature. So they made it out into a case of forgery. So if that forgery was proved, what would happen? He would go to jail, forgery. He would lose $70,000 which he had given 15 years back, and he would lose the property in his hand. He would lose three things, right? His name, he would lose the property, and he would go to jail, and he had already given the money, which the party says you have not taken, and the person who witnessed said, I have not signed. But when he came on 24th, he said, Nirmalaji, I have the decree in my hand, the case is solved, thanks to you. I said, great. On 28th, but he said, they have gone to appeal. They have gone into appeal. I said, no problem. On 28th of May, we had another meeting. And he said, Nirmalaji, I want to give you good news. I said, what happened? They have withdrawn the case from the High Court and they are not going into appeal. Can you imagine? What could not happen in 3 years happened in 12 days. It's not a joke. And he was surprised. He says, I don't know why it happened. I said, it happened because it had to happen. That's it. So, a court case, as complicated as this, it was just because of some issue with the documents. And it could have been solved earlier, but it happened because we happened to just come in and realize what is happening, and that's it. So that's the impact of cases. Impact of Home Office on health and wealth. Because we people are very healthy and we are very wealthy. But nowadays health is going down, but our wealths are going up. We've seen a case of diabetes in Nainital. He's a 35-year-old boy. Nainital is cold, right? That's why I mentioned Nainital. And opposite is his shop are the hills of Nainital. Okay. He's been sitting in that position for 23 years. And he went for all types of acupressure, acupuncture, homeopathy, and you name it, you can see the what's up. And the day he decided to take my treatment was in 10 hours. At night, 11 o'clock, he WhatsApped me. Next morning, he starts my treatment. And the first thing I asked him is, which direction are you sitting? And he says, why should it make difference? I said, tell me which direction are you sitting? Are you sitting towards north? He said, yes. I've been sitting towards north for 23 years in that shop. And he says, whenever it gets cold, my BP shoots up and my diabetes is uncontrollable. During the year, he takes 6 tablets of diabetes, and his diabetes of blood pressure, and his blood pressure is still not controlled. You can imagine the amount of contraction in his arteries that are causing the amount of high BP, and yet 6 tablets, modern allopathic tablets are not working. You see, he's been sitting facing a mountain in the north for 23 years out of 35 years of his life. Excess coldness has entered his body. You can see the photographs of his legs, they are black. Deficient flow of blood into his legs. Even in his legs, arms, everything. So, that is how Vastu has impacted, because he's been sitting in that shop as a child, in that same direction. So I told him to reverse and make a difference. Stroke and brain injury. This was the case. Today is the 11th day of this client in a hospital, in a coma in Delhi. They are very well known people. They own around 55 shops in Bombay. It's a team of companies. And they phoned me around 5 days back. That's why I want to show you the impact of Vastu. And the first thing when they told me that my mother had a heart attack, and she was literally dead. And then the doctors revived her after 7 minutes. So if this brain, heart is not functioning for 7 minutes, you suffer from hypoxic brain damage. And then they shifted her from one city of India to Delhi. And that was around 6 days back. And they called me 3 days back, from today. 3 days back they talked to me. And the first thing I asked them was, do you have, I'm not going to disclose the location, because when many people watch this episode, I don't want them to get apprehensive, to go into that location and find it, and then they might feel bad. So I'm not going to tell the location of the situation. But what I told them was a fact. When I analyzed, immediately it took me 1 second I said, do you have this in this part of the house? They said, yes. 23 years. It manifested now. Similar case, a very big businessman in Delhi with motor neuron disease. And the wife phones me and she said, my husband has got, she was not telling me the diagnosis. I told her the diagnosis in 1 second. I said, is it MND? Because she's telling me, he's passing, he's not able to talk, he's allowing saliva to throw out. I said, is it MND? And she got a shock. She said, how do you know? I said, is it MND or not? She said, yes. I told her, in this part of your house, what do you have? She said, I have the driveway of the house. So I said, you have a driveway. So now all your cars are damaging your husband. Another case was oroglandular dystonia. It took me 2 minutes to tell the client, you got dystonia of the lower part of your body, of your face. Again, bang on. Whatever I told that party, they said yes. So, location of problem has manifested by that premises. I remember a lady phoned me, she had a pain severely behind the navel at the back. And she only had it when she came into that house. She's got 2 sons in West Bengal, separate. So she said, whenever I come here, I have a stabbing pain right behind my navel at the back. But when I go back to my other son's house, it doesn't occur. I analyzed and I said, send me your plan. I looked at the plan and I said, in this part of the house you got a nail. I said, in this part of the house you got a nail, remove it. And she said, there's a nail. She removed it. And the moment she removed the nail, that pain went. It's so perfect. Just analyze through the plans. If there's a point of severe pain, there will be a vada in the house or the factory or the location. It can't be cheated. 5 cases of a single family, right leg broken. Can you imagine? 1 family living in a house, right leg all broken. The grandmother, the husband, the son, the daughter-in-law and both the children. He was a sheer broken and he was talking to me. He said, Navlalaji, you know what's happened? I said, tell me. He said, in my house, everybody's got a fracture. I said, left or right? He says, coming to think of it, it's all right. I said, if it's right, I calculated. I said, in this part of the house, what do you have? He said, we got a temple from the top to the bottom made out of marble. Can you imagine? Everybody broke their right leg only. And when I just calculated and I told him, he got a shock. He said, I don't believe it. How is it possible? I said, no, it's a cause and effect. If the cause exists, the effect will happen today or tomorrow. It could be bad, it could be good. And you are equally liable for both. If your karma is good, it comes late. If your karma is bad, it comes fast. Okay? So these are the type of things that when I meet people, I really wonder that it's so powerful that it just takes 2 minutes for me to analyze on the phone. There's a huge, I have a client, he had muscular dystrophy. Okay? And he is highly educated. He's a BTech from IIT Kharagpur. And he's a very dear friend of mine. And we always sit down to discuss because he's very highly educated. So I love to sit down with him and he's a technocrat, so he teaches me a lot. So I said, I want to do your house vastu. He says, no, I have everything I desire in my life. I said, no, that's what I want to study. It's a case study for me that you have everything. I want to see what else you have. When I analyzed his house and I told him, sir, don't mind me asking, but after you moved into this house, you have had tremendous financial success and you've had tremendous savings. He said, Navlalaji, that is a fact. He said, after I moved into this house, I have had such a wonderful career. Money has never been an issue. And I have always been able to spend and I have always been able to save. And he says, coming to think of it today, I realize that it all happened after I moved into this house. I said, it will happen because the entire situation of your house is such a way that your main door falls into a location where money is going to come in. And the location that he sits in is basically of power. So he's a consultant and he's sitting in the right location. He had muscular dystrophy, so I did some color therapy treatment, and when we analyzed the Vastu of the house along with the treatments that I had given him, they matched. Because of his muscular dystrophy, I had to give him color therapy, lights, and I had to make drawing boards of different colors in different parts of the house. But they perfectly matched for his muscular dystrophy and for the wealth in his life and his intellectual power. So that was wonderful. And reverse, income going down after moving to a new house. This is one of my clients. He had a severe colitis and he was not getting well. He is well after our treatment, tremendously well, but he would always complain of money. After being well from his colitis, he would always tell me, Noraji, my income is not going up, and I'm facing a lot of difficulty from my money side. So I said, look, I know Vastu, let me just come home for a Vastu visit. And he said, sure. I went over to his wife. We have to visit. It's not so easy as just standing here and doing this. So I went and I analyzed. I took the entire plan and we demarcated, and it took me a week to understand. And after a week, I found him. I said, tell me, when you built this house, where did you get the money from? Because he had done a lavish house, He said, prior to moving into this house, I earned a lot of money. That's when I purchased this house, right? It was around, he purchased that house around 8-9 years ago, and he spent around 40-50 lakhs. It's very well done, his interiors and everything. So he says, I earned that 40-50 lakhs. So he was living with his joint family, and then he said, we had one common workshop, both the brothers, they were doing some workshop in near Baikila. So he says, sir, we both brothers earned a lot of money. So I purchased this house out of that money. But after I moved into this house, my business and everything went bust. So you see that? After moving into the house, he lost everything. Factory is still there. That unit is still there. But he's not getting income now. So I told him, I said, your joint family house was lucky for you. So was your factory. But now, since you moved in here, this house has created that downfall in your life, whereas money is concerned. Then when I analyzed the house, it was perfect. He didn't have a opening for money in his life. So we gave him an option, what he could do. So now coming to, that's when I decided that this is a very wonderful subject, that we have to talk on main door entries. Because what people do is people invest crores of rupees, crores, literally crores. Maybe today to buy a house in this part of town, in Bombay today would cost around 5 to 7 crores, right? 5 to 7 crores. Now if you are going to spend 5 to 7 crores and not be happy after moving in, then what's the fun, right? So this is how it works. This is applicable, this concept is applicable to homes, offices, plots, bungalows, factories and flats. Everything, because it's a property that we are purchasing. So this concept is applicable to all. So we should not worry. This is how it works. I will not be able to give the solutions. I am going to give the concept. Because the solutions are many, depends on the locations. So it's not possible to give hundreds of solutions. I am giving the concept. The idea is to correlate through the concept, and then if you are interested, you can always get in touch. Okay, now this is your house, anybody's house. Now what happens is, there are possibilities that the door would be here, the door could be here, the door could be here, the door could be here. For any matter, the door could be anywhere. Right? Am I right or not? It could be anywhere. Now what happens? This could be north, this could be south, this could be east, this could be west. Right? We have 4 directions. And then we have Subdirections, then we have sub, then we have sub, then we have sub, 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 sub. You see? Can you imagine? Can you imagine how many subdirections there can be in one quadrant of our life? This is our life. Similarly, what happens? What are these? These are openings into the plot, into the factory, into the home, into the office, into the shop. What happens is, each of these locations is going to give in what? What will it give in? It's going to give in energy. Okay? It is going to give in energy like a funnel into your life. Now, what happens is, if this energy is good, if I take this energy as wealth, so what's going to happen? What will happen?
You get more wealth.
You'll get more wealth. You like it or not, you're going to get money. Okay? Now imagine if that's cut. What's going to happen? What will happen now?
The energy is cut.
Cut now. What will happen?
No wealth.
No wealth. What happens is, that's the biggest part. You have to realize that each of these quadrants of life, it's not only wealth, it's health, it's association, it's anxiety, it's depression, sex, attraction, health. There are so many spheres of our life that can and will be impacted through locations like this. Okay? Now, you realize you've already got a home. We all have a home today. Right? We all have a home. I was in a dinner last night and I met a lady from Switzerland. Okay? She was a European lady and I was invited for dinner last night and she was from Switzerland. So I said, you're from the best country in the world, Switzerland. She said, I feel India is good. That India has taught me more than I could learn in Switzerland. So I was very happy. I said, at least now I realize that India is better. Because Switzerland is supposed to be the best. You know, it's right on the top of the world. And she said, people in Switzerland do think that they are born in God's country. But I feel India is nice. It's given me a chance to improve my life, meet people and be strong so that I can survive in India. So she said, India has taught me how to survive. Okay? So that came as a compliment. She said, Mr. Singh, since I've been in India for 4 years, I've become a better survivor. I've been able to survive better. So now I can survive anywhere in the world. Okay, so that was situation. You know, situations. That's what India does. It teaches you to survive. You can survive despite whatever happens. So then I said, do you have any problem in Vastu at your home? She said, not that I can think of. I said, actually, you're in the hotel business. You should be thinking of relationships. She said, that's where I think that I really need. She said, now you hit the point. Relationships are my biggest problem. Because she didn't realize until I told her the word. She said, yes, Mr. Singh, relationship is the main. I think I have to work in relationships. And another lady, top notch, and we had same dinner, and I said I would like to do your office. And you know the first thing she told me? She said, you should do my office. I said, what's your biggest drawback? She said, we can't do marketing properly. You understood? They are into some business, but they are not getting good business because they have been unable to exploit the marketing angle. So in those spheres, that is where they are not getting what they want. So it will exist because they are already in the office. They have got So that problem will manifest. So they are realizing that their Vastu is not that good, but the Vastu of this office is better than the last. Because the last office where they were, I visited them also over there, and in that office they lost. But since they shifted to Borivali side, they said after shifting to the Borivali office, we are a bit better. At least we are not like we were in downtown. So, but that's when we started analyzing again that what are your main issues that you feel in this new office. Then they came out. Then they started discussing. Yes, these are the issues that plague our new office. So we will work on those issues. So the idea is every situation. Now what happens? You already have an entry. Now this is your flat. Now this is your staircase. This is your neighbor's flat, right? This is how we live in Bombay, right? Then we have a staircase. Now this is your entry. You can't break it. You can't change it. If you had a bungalow, of course you could have shifted it and done it, right? Now what do? You can't shift it because this is the only entry that the builder has given you. But it's not in a good location. You spent 5 crores on this house. And now a person like us who analyzes space comes in and that's the first thing I look in. Now whenever I go into any big property, I have my compass in my mobile, Android phone. I just stand in the middle of the property and I look at the direction. And I take a photograph. You know, I save the screenshot of that property and I know the plan in my head. I sit down over a cup of tea and I start analyzing the property. It takes me 5 minutes to analyze what is going to happen in that premises. Why? Because the knowledge is so perfect, it can't go wrong. Now what happens is, you got this situation where I realize that this is not a good situation in life. Okay? Now what do you do? What would you do?
Find some remedy.
You have to find a remedy. Now what would the remedy be? Depending on the location. Now if this is a good location, supposing it's wealth, I want to enhance it. So I would calculate based on various factors. Should I enhance it or leave it like that? Should I leave it like that or should I enhance it? So depending on some calculations, we'll realize we have to balance it. We could either increase, we could either leave it balanced or we could decrease. Understand? 3 options are available to us, not one option. That's why it's not possible for us to tell everything because it's so defined. Now what happens is, whatever has to be done, either it has to be increased, it has to be balanced, or it has to be decreased, has to be done in this zone. So we'll arrive at a solution. It could be through colors, through maybe lights, through maybe in an installation of a granite putty, something, or maybe even a paint, appropriate to that location and to that part of life in that person's well-being. Because we have to tell the client, look, you have this house, now this entry is not good for you, you are a politician, and this is coming in the zone of disposal. So whatever you do goes into disposal. I was reading a newspaper today, and one of India's leading film producers lost a lot of money and suffered some situation in his life and lost millions of crores of rupees, crores. And I was wondering where were the things kept that led to that loss. It took me 2 minutes to analyze. Because if you keep something in a wrong location, that is going to manifest. So what do? We either block that area, increase that area, or let me share another case. A friend of mine in Delhi, he was sharing it in our group. He said he saw he did a Vastu consultancy. He was sharing it just casually. He said, one family, mother, father, 2 sons. Both the sons died in accident. Can you see how sad it is? Both the sons, the only sons, passing away in a road accident. Why? When he analyzed location of the bedroom. That is the main cause. The location of the bedroom was in a position, whatever you keep there has to go. They went. One night, both brothers. Can you imagine the impact, how it manifested? I felt so sad when I read that. But we only realize these things when we start analyzing. When we analyze what is going on in life, like that case, 5 legs broken. They could not realize. But a person who has a knowledge will immediately understand the impact of Vastu. I did one more case in Delhi where a huge house, but they had so many problems. And when I visited their house, I told them when they come to me for a consultation, their child was autistic. He was unable to speak. After our treatment, the child started speaking. So when I consulted, I said, you've got a Vastu issue. When I went to their house, I could see so many issues with their Vastu. But we are not allowed to tell them. We have to ask them the problems. And when we ask them the problems, we give them solutions. I gave them 19 solutions. And the cost of those solutions was hardly 2,000 rupees. And they were, they phoned me, they WhatsApped me, and they said, Mr. Singh, we hope your fees is not, the cost of doing these alterations should not be more than your fees. I said, don't worry, I'll keep that in mind. And when I sent them the solutions, they were happy, The cost of the solutions was only 2,000 rupees. And the value of the property is around 10 crores. It's not a question of value. It's the value that they were not getting in their life. They were not getting happiness, they were not getting money. Because when I analyzed, everything was wrong. But you can't run away from your house. You have to live in that house. Either you get enlightened and you take a solution, or then you blame yourself all your life that why did it happen or why couldn't I do something. It's only when I made them realize that they immediately understood. They said, yes, since we've come into this house, it was rebuilt. They had moved in when the daughter-in-law had moved in after the marriage. Then they gave it out, to break and rebuild it on a modern scale. And it was a ground basement plus 4 stories in a very posh locality, 250 square yards bungalow, very nicely done. But they said after we moved back, that's when everything started going haywire. Because then you need a toilet here, then you need a toilet there, then you need a wash basin here, then you want your everything latest. Then you want a TV here, you want a TV there, then you want a microwave there. Because everything has to be done to your needs, not what is required. You need a new TV in your bedroom, then you need a TV in your living room, then you need a TV in the kitchen. Then you start installing all these things. And when they're installed in the wrong place, they're going to start acting. It's like giving somebody wrong medicine. And that wrong medicine is going to act. No? So now, that's the entry. Now what do? You block the entry. You block the entry. But we would like to have a beneficial entry. Right? Now we realize that this is a neighbor's house. We have a neighbor's house here also. We have a neighbor's house here also. But we have staircase over here. But this side of the house is open. Okay? So that is 25% of your life is open. So then what we realize is, okay, that side of the house is open. Like this flat where we are sitting, we got one wall over here. We got another wall outside, right? We got another wall over here. So now what would happen is, since we can't work in these directions, we'll work in these directions. We'll now analyze. We'll analyze which of these locations can give us some favorable thing in our life. Okay? Because somewhere or the other we will find some wall which is available. We doesn't have your neighbor's encroachment to it. And then we will work out, and then we'll work on different entries in these locations through various means. Once you channelize that energy through that location, that starts flowing.
But if it's not possible,
then I told you, if it's not possible, then we have to work on the other situations in the house. Then we have to see the locations of the toilets. You have to see the location. We have to see everything in totality. I just can't work on your main entry. People SMS me, please come and check my main entry. I said, I can't do it. I can only check your main entry if you're buying a new house. If you have to buy a new house for 5 crores, then we are the best people. You invite us, you take 5 properties, you know the plans, and before paying the money to the client, you take us to the 5 properties. And you say, these are the plans. We need scaled plans, and we just don't need rough. It has to be on a scale, it has to be on an A4 page. However big the property, it has to come down to A4. So we have to scale it down. Now that's where we work in. Then we see the property, we see the north-south inclination. Once I know the inclination of the property to north and south, that's all I need. I go back to the drawing board, I will work, and I will tell you, out of these 5 properties, I'm not bothered of the view outside. There could be Jhopatpatti, there could be the ocean, there could be the volcano, for all that matters. I'm not worried. I am going to just concentrate on the entry of that house and that person.
Yeah, I was going to come to that. You said a politician.
Yeah. So the politician would like to have a entry which is social relationships. Okay? Because if he's socially good, he's going to be better. He's going to become a better politician. Now if you have a doctor, you need a person with an entry of skill. His skill sells. He's not selling anything, but he's selling his skills. So his entry would be skills. If you have different people, if you have a person who's like a scientist, where would you put a scientist? Which entry should he choose? Education. If he is an educationist, he should have an entry of education, because that's where his money is going to come in from. You understand? So there is no single remedy for one person. We have to analyze what is the social stature of that person. I was talking to somebody day before yesterday, and they said, I'm sitting in this direction. One Vastu guy came and said, I should sit in this direction. I said, you're the boss of the company. You should be sitting in a location where you can control everybody. When I analyzed the direction that he told that person, he's put the owner into marketing. And that's what the owner was telling me yesterday over dinner. I'm not good at marketing. Because instead of being the owner, that gentleman has placed her facing a direction which is good for marketing people. And the marketing people are facing the wrong direction. He told me marketing should be in this direction. And I kept quiet. I said, no, when I come to your office now, I'll tell you what to do. So the marketing people are not working. The main person is busy, is thinking of marketing. Because that person has been sitting in that office for 5 years. I said, you've been in that office for 5 years. They said, how do you know? I said, I remember I came to your office when it opened. I met that person after 5 years yesterday. So they said, my God. So it means that we need a revastu. I said, but hasn't your office said? They said, yes, it's good, but it could be better. So you see, if you make the CMD sit in the place of marketing, the poor chap is not going to think of managing the company. He's going to think of marketing the company. He has to manage people, and the people have to do the marketing for him. They just have to report back to him. You see how perfect it is? It's so much perfect that I analyzed a case, and one boy is doing his CA. He is doing his chartered accountancy. I analyzed the plan, and when I saw where he's sitting, I said, this is a perfect place where you are sitting for accountancy. Perfect place. And he topped Bombay University first from his college in the second year. In the third year, he stood second. He's been sitting in that location for many years. He's my son. I analyzed it. So, because he's doing his chartered accountancy, so I said, let me just see how perfect is it. And it was just by default. Now in Bombay, we just find a place and we make the table. But when I analyzed, I said, my God, you know, it is what comes into your mind, you do it.
Intuitive.
Intuitive. And my son was saying, okay, Papa, if I was not doing CA, wouldn't I be sitting here? I said, look, let's not get into that argument. Now the argument doesn't hold fire. You talked. He talked in the second year of BCom in his college. He stood first. In the third year, he stood second. Now again, he entered into his CA and he cleared his in the first shot. Now he's appearing for his finals next year. So what happens is, if you are able to analyze, and we can channelize, no? It's just, you have a place. You can make the child sit in the correct location. You don't lose anything. You only gain, because it's the power of that knowledge that you are harnessing. Do you know why kings had sons? All the ancient kings, they had more male children than female children. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Am I right? Let us understand, is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Why? That's the power of Vastu. They had the power. It exists. It exists. But we don't do that at the Vastu. It's possible, but we don't do it. We are basically in it for the calculations, just to see how many male children in this house, calculate from the house, see, and then analyze, yes, more male children in this family, more females, because it's all calculations, no? Directions. So we can, once we know the direction, we can analyze a suitable entry to buy a house for that client. He could be a politician, he could be a doctor, he could be a lawyer, he could be anything. He could be an educationist, he could be a businessman, he could be a social worker. Everybody has a set direction that is beneficial and detrimental. It depends on how you harness that knowledge. If you have something wrong in the wrong location, it causes chaos. You literally don't know what to do. If you keep something wrong something in a wrong position in the house, it will manifest. You may not realize, unless it's people like us who are trained, who will immediately understand what's going on. It could be a washing machine in a location, in a location, washing machine. It could be a dustbin in a different location. It could be the gas in a different location. It could be the color of the granite. I recently went to Thane last week, and the office that I'm associated with. Okay, I'm into a nutrition support with a company, and they opened an office in Bombay. And when I went, I was invited, and all my friends who are they know me, na? So they said, "Navla, see the Vastu of the office." And the first thing I did is, when I went to the office, I saw the Vastu, and I took a photograph, and I sat down. I was in the office of the directors, and we were having coffee, breakfast, and the puja was done. They're having a Vastu puja on the 6th. Okay, that is 2 days later. But I WhatsApped the general manager of the company. I said, you spend a lot of money in this office, but you will destroy everything you built through this office, provided you don't act. I said, I'm saying this because I'm a part of the company. If I was not a part of the company, I wouldn't have bothered. Since I'm contributing to the well-being of this company because I like the product. It's an enzyme. It's only one enzyme in the entire world. It's a noni enzyme product that we are marketing. So I told him, I said, it's very simple. You understand the logic. Everything is painted orange-red. What is orange and red? What is orange and red? It's fire. Fire. Our product is wood based. It's a product. It's green. So what happens to wood? It will burn. I have not even yet analyzed the locations of the rooms. I just looked at the color and I was not happy. But they said, sir, we've done it Vastu perfect. I said, yeah. The gentleman you invited must be really good. He thinks you need lots of money. He doesn't need he does not understand where the money is coming from. The money is not coming from gold. Gold is hot. Gold is fire. तो गोल्ड शोरूम में लाल चलेगा, मगर लकड़ी के शोरूम में लाल नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि लकड़ी को आग जला देगी. Understand? So if you have a wooden showroom and you are dealing in wood and you paint your showroom red, one day it's going to get burnt because you overpowered it. Now wood is destroyed by fire.
They have this color in restaurants usually.
Yeah, so that is development. No? They are attracting you, no? Spicy food.
Burning fire.
Burning fire, no? Burning fire.
Stomach, literally.
Chinese, no? They burn you, no? So all the Chinese spices burn you. Ajinomoto, all these things. Soya sauce, they burn you, no? They're red. So you imagine, and then the general manager said, yes, Mr. Singh. I gave him the reason. I said, our product is green. I have not yet measured the flat. I just took the angle and I realized that everything that they've done is too good, beautifully done. Lavish, lot of money was spent, but it was not spent with thought. They could have done red in it in the south, but not in the other directions. Where you need water, you put fire. And the motives that they've put are looking like either water waves or fire waves. And those motifs are painted in gold. So you can look, if you paint it in blue and silver, it will look like water. If you paint that motif with orange and gold, it will look like flames. So it's the same wallpaper. It's very expensive, but thought was not given. Thought was given on generation, but the generation cannot be too much. It has to be in balance. So that's how it works. So we have to analyze the color of the, if we see that we can't do in a location, if this is a toilet, then we have to see the color of the tiles of the toilet also. And then we have to give a particular solution. If there is a kitchen, then we have to see the color of the granite of the counter also. If it's in the wrong direction, because it's impacting your life. If a wrong kitchen with a wrong color of granite in the wrong direction, can you see? Everything is wrong. So what do? We can't shift the kitchen. So we have to nullify the effect of the granite. We have to nullify the effect of the wrong location with the appropriate remedy. So that's why there are no hard and fast rules. We have to analyze it in totality. You just can't give me a plan and say, no, Laji, change my life. Unless we go in, we see the center line, we see what is on this wall, then we see what is on the floor, what are the colors of the tiles on the floor, what is the color of the granite. Now this is wavy, right? So this is water. So if you see the effect of this tiles, it's wavy. So it means this has got a watery effect. You see the impact? It is bluish, brownish, white. It's got lines. So this would be water. So if this is in a location where you need fire, so this has to be nullified. Right? Because if you need Agni and you got your entire zone with this tiles, so Agni kitna hoga? You got a small gas, but your entire flat is 2000 square feet with water element. So what will water element do to you? It will drown you. Water drowns, no? If it's too much. You go into a baby pool, you stand. You go into an Olympic pool, 20 feet you drown if you don't know how to swim. And if you don't know how to swim, you can still stand in the 4-5 feet of water. But you will not drown. So it's the same way. So depending on the amount of that energy in that location, we can balance, we can nullify, or we can put a carpet. So what happens is, it's a very deep science. The fundamental is cause and effect. The cause is there, it will manifest. After 23 years, this case, sad. I felt so sad for them. They have all the wealth in the world. I still consulted them. I told them, you have to go in for this therapy. I told them hyperbaric therapy. that the patient is in a coma, going for hyperbaric therapy. Only 2 hospitals in Delhi have hyperbaric. I gave them the address. Go and try it in that hospital. Because I can only give them my knowledge from Bombay. Because they need oxygen in the brain now, and the oxygen can only go through hyperbaric therapy. But in the meantime, I told them that you should not use those toilets. And behind the toilet, they got to go down. So I said, immediately get that godown cleared. Because the godown is kachra. It's all not used. So I said, get it cleaned, because by cleaning that godown, maybe we can impact your mother's health. Some impact, because it is lying there. So if we just clean it, maybe something starts working over here. Because the cause is there. All these years it has built up. It's like, I was talking to a doctor yesterday, and he said, blood pressure is not a disease. It's a sign of something bad which is about to happen in the future or near future, right? High BP is not a illness. It is a warning sign. A fever is not a illness. A fever is a warning sign. You have fever, it could be due to infection in your body. It could be due to many reasons. It could be due to cancer also. But you have a fever. So if you have regular fevers, then you have to investigate the cause of the fever, right? I think doctors are really agree with that. So if there is a cause in the house, if it's positive, it's going to impact you. If it's negative, it's going to impact you. If you're going to buy a new house and you're going to invest your money, it's very simple. See the logics. A new house costs how much? Bombay, 2 crores. You go to Vasai nowadays, you have to spend 1 crore. Nana, I met somebody, she purchased a flat in Mira Road for 1.5 crores. I said, my God, is Mira Road so expensive? 1.5 crores, around 1500 square feet, for 10,000 rupees. So supposing you're spending around 1.5 crores, you got 2 brokers, right? You give them 2% each, right? Right? That's the commission they take, no? Or even if you take 1%, we Indians, we bargain. So, they pay how much? 3 lakhs. Just to be told, udhar flat hai. Because you can't go and run about to find out 100 apartments. So you go to a broker in Mira Road and you ask him, I got 2 crores, I got a flat. So he shows you 10 properties and you buy one. Now imagine if you have to spend less than this by hiring a person who can tell you which house to buy. Isn't it a good deal? It's a perfect deal. Because at least you are assured that the house that I am moving in is going to be my home. It's going to be my home because I have invested my life's earning into it. If you buy a wrong house, it's going to impact you like mad. I've seen the impact. I've seen it in my friends, in my circle, in my life. That's when I realized the space dimension. Being a civil engineer, I realized that people who are not civil engineers are practicing Vastu. And they are, of course, creating havoc some places. Some places they are getting good results. But it's the knowledge, no? Being a civil engineer and being a non-engineer, like a yoga specialist, and you start practicing yoga, you will start practicing Vastu. Like this gentleman who had 5 legs broken, he was a fire insurance, fire insurance estimator. After you do insurance, then there's a fire, you go and investigate. No, he became a Vastu consultant. How? He said, Narulaji, what I would do is, I would be invited because if a fire broke, so I would have to estimate the loss now, and the company has to pay the loss because it's insured. And he said, I would analyze where did the fire start from, because he would do only fires. His company would send him for fire investigations. Okay, either aag lagi hai, insurance say you have to go and analyze and the value of the loss. So you have to pay the money. So he said, after visiting so many, I would analyze sitting at home. The fire started in this corner. And after so many things, he says, I became a Vastu consultant for all my clients just to analyze कि इधर आग लगेगा क्या. But he could not analyze his 5 legs broken in his house. He couldn't earn money because he's now become a share trader. So then he had to come to me, because that's when I met him. So I said, why don't you take me as a consultant now? I said, you analyze a lot of fires. But because he learned it, na? He read books and कि आग कहाँ से लगती है, तो आग लगा के means लग के he realized the solution कि ये zone से आग लगती है. So he would tell his clients when they would insure कि please don't do this in this zone, नहीं कि इधर से आग लगती है. And then they would take that precaution because he had learned it from experience. Right? Now people like us are civil engineers. We know directions, we know buildings, we know how they work, and we know directions now. So the best thing is, if you're going to invest in a new house, or even if you have an existing house and you're not getting back what you desire from your house, maybe your children's education, maybe you're going through a lot of stress financially, maybe there's a problem between the relationships of the parents, or maybe within the children, maybe with the in-laws and the family. I did this case in Delhi, where they had an issue of relationship with the elder brother and family. So they wanted to be cordial, but the elder brother was not happy talking to the younger brother. So the younger brother said, I want to have my brother as a friend. He's no longer good, he's not happy with me. So when I checked the analysis, it was perfect match. No money, less money, and no family relationships. I'm sure with the remedies that we've given them, within 6 months, there will be a dramatic change. Because everything manifested from where they lived since 2009. All these things that I'm talking are proof that Vastu works. Because it has been working for 5,000 years, it's all mentioned. So, this is about this. Now I'm going to give a tip, because what happened is, yesterday we had results of the 12th standard, right? So now this is the time when students and parents are going to be anxious for their new careers in the next year. So I thought that I would give a tip for studying better for students or anybody, because this is a very good tip. You can share it with anybody. So what happens is, you have to place pen holder for anybody to study well. This is applicable to anybody. You have to keep a pen holder a pen holder जैसे आजकल बहुत मिलते हैं ना, कप होता है, you can have lots of pens in them, है ना? You have to keep it in the southwest. Okay? Second is, we are all weak. We are all weak in some subject. Right? Am I right or not?
Yes.
है ना? So what we have to do is, जो student है ना, जिस subject में वो weak है, you have to keep the books of that weak subject in west, southwest. Books.
When you're talking about the direction, you're talking about the entire house or a room?
If you can take it into the direction of the house, that's better. Otherwise, if you can do it in the house or the bedroom, it's okay. But we prefer to work entire house, because that is the most potent. But okay, at least something is better than nothing. It's going to impact, because then that place becomes the house of that child. The place becomes the house of that child, because he's in that room. So you can analyze it and you can work. So a pen holder in the southwest, just take a pen holder, cup, put in a lot of pens, put in working pens, don't put in old pens, because the old pens, old ideas, new pens, new ideas. So there should be working pens in different colors, because all the colors will manifest. Don't use only black, put in many colors, red, orange, green, purple, 8-10 color pens, pencils. Then you can have a colorful bowl. Bowl should be colorful. All the energies should manifest. It should be nice. It should be taken care of. You should regularly rub it, like you rub your genie का वो लैम्प होता था ना, अलादीन का चिराग, So let that young boy or young girl rub that, clean it nicely, because when he cleans it, he's going to manifest. He's taking care of a baby now. So that's his baby. So he should take care of it. And if he's weak in some subjects, keep those books in the west, southwest. It's not that he keeps the books, that he doesn't study. He has to study. But keeping the books will motivate that energy into his brain. But it should not be taken that he doesn't need to study. It will manifest, but he has to study also. Books and then equal to study. I am writing it. Equal to more marks. Marks will go up. Have to study this, okay? So what we do is, we'll just recap. Main intention of today's lecture was PowerPoint entry of your house, of your property, of your office, of your flat. I'll share one with that case of Nainital. He's got a shop. They have a very big family. They're doing extremely well from that shop. I analyzed the direction. It was perfect to earn money. It was north facing, and the appropriate colors were there. But he's got a property where they used to make pencils. Nainital was wood, na? So they had a pencil factory many years ago, because you used to get wood and you start making pencils. So now they've converted that pencil factory. No more pencils. Now pencils are made of plastic. So now they've converted that same factory into corrugated boxes. Okay. So now they're losing lots of money every month in that factory. You understand? They've been in that shop for 23 years. No, he's been in that shop for 23. His father's been in there since Nainital was born. Okay. So this boy, he's 35 years old. He's been in that shop for 23 years. On the same seat, sitting with his father. His father expired 15 years ago. So he's been in that chair. He told me, he says, I've been literally here for 23 years. And that factory, now corrugated. But now since they started making the corrugated boxes, they are losing every month. They are losing. He says, it's like, Navlaji, we are earning in this shop and we are paying to the factory. And he says, we are barely surviving in between. So I said, imagine the placement of the machine that you've done in the factory must be in a wrong place. That's why you're not able to save money. You're not getting money. You're losing money. Because the factory has to give you money. If you got an order, you have to earn. But he's not earning. So now when I go to Delhi, maybe in July or August, I have to visit Nainital. I have to go and see the entire house. I have to see the vastu of the house, the shop and the factory. Because now he's got kidney failure. His kidneys are damaged. We had diagnosed it last year, but it didn't come. He came to me now after 1 year because he tried many cheap things and they all cost him time. He's more worse than he was 1 year ago. So now it's going to take more time for him to recover. But the second impact is his financial wealth is going down the drain. He's more stressed because you need money to survive. And his health is now going down at the age of 35. 35. He's been diabetic for 15 years.
Plus kidney failure.
He's got kidney damage.
Is this because of...
Yeah, Vastu also.
Affect the...
Yeah, you came late, you can watch the lecture once it's recorded. We explained the entire concept. His direction of sitting has been wrong for 23 years. That's how we analyzed. So, you can definitely, these are our numbers. That's mine, that's Shilpani. And you can either get in touch with me or you can get in touch with Madam. And we are available for treatments, cold to cancer. And we are also available for consulting for Vastu. And Vastu is very complex. Please don't think that it's one tip. Some things work, some things don't. Like this one works, Penwalder works. That's why, irrespective of seeing your house, it can be done. Because this is universal. This is God's gift. Children can't be denied gifts. So this is God's gift. You keep it in the correct location, it will work. But for the other things, we do need a proper consultation. We need to see, we need to really see each location in the house. And of course, as I said, if you are buying a new house, perfect time to invite somebody educated who can help you make a wiser decision in buying a house with an entry, as Madam said, depending on your profession. Because the head of the family has a status. So befitting that status, you can always buy a house because that will give you more success. Thank you very much. And if you have any inquiries,